Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Kelcey D. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button somewhere down there. And if you are old or what it is, you know the deal. How you doing? So this look is based on Valentine's Day. I will be using one of my new Morphe palettes that I received in the mail not too long ago. As you could tell in the video, it was not supposed to be this dramatic, but this is just what it turns out to be because I'm just a person that loves dramatic looks. So fun fact, here in Japan, Valentine's Day is for the males. Women buy, or if they're like in love with or dating someone, they actually make homemade chocolate and give it to the person that they care about the most, basically, more or less. Look it up. You can do the research. And you know how in America, well, if you're from America, you know, but there's the day called Sweetest Day that's for the males, and for the opposite of Valentine's Day in America. On March 14th, it is called White Day, which means the males buy whoever got them a present on Valentine's Day. So I'm not sure if it's like everybody, but basically the one that they're dating mainly gets the present on White Day, which is March 14th. So as always, if you like what you see on my face, please continue watching. So we're gonna get started, and the first thing you're gonna do is prime your eyes. And of course, same thing I use always, the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. And I'm taking a Morphe E27 brush, dipping that into the pot, and applying it all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to lightly set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, just so my eye won't be sticky. So the first palette I'm using is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be using Creamsicle in my crease. I honestly really enjoy this color. Usually I would use a light brown shade, but the color, like the light brown, kind of just blends into my skin, so you can't really tell that it's a transition color. But this is really nice transition color for my skin tone, I think. It works for like every color, every shade of eyeshadow. So I'm just using a big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics to apply that all over my crease. Okay, so that's all blended. The next palette I'm going to be using is one of my new palettes that I just got in the mail. It's by Morphe, and they have new packaging. It's really nice. It's more sleek to me. It used to say Morphe brushes, but now it just says Morphe. This is the Morphe 35B. This is the Morphe 35B palette, called Color Burst. I guess that's what it's called. And look how awesome these colors are. I'm going to be using this color, and this color, and maybe this color. Since it's a Valentine's Day look, I thought I should use pinks. And they do have, in this palette, they do have like a nice light pink, which can be used as a transition color, but on my skin, and I tried it, it kind of looks ashy, so I decided to go with the Jaclyn Hill palette for the transition color. So the first color I'm going to use is this light pink color in the palette. I'm using an M330 and applying that to my crease. Okay, that looks blended. So now I'm going to take the M412, go in with that darker color, the darker pink color, purplish color, go and lower in my crease. Taking the original pink shade and going to try to blend it out. Going back with the darker pink color. So I think I'm gonna take this darker purple color on the 4112 brush and put that also in my crease to try to darken it up. Going in with the lighter pink again. Eyeshadow is literally just applying and blending to get the best intensity you want out of the color. So now I'm going to take this black shade in the palette and apply that to my outer corner of my eye. Like literally just pack the color on that area. This is a BH Cosmetic shadow brush, I think. And then I'm going to take that dark shade and blend it out. The dark purple to blend it out across my lid to the other side. Yeah, that second pink color, I don't think that even matters. It definitely got covered up by the purple. Now I'm going back in with the light pink shade, and just gonna go kind of on top of it as well and higher to blend it out. Yeah, I think that actually looks good. So now I'm gonna take the Morphe M124 and carve out my crease with the matte paint pot and the color Soft Ochre. I don't know, ever since I learned how to carve out my crease to make my eyeshadow on my lid bigger, that's just kind of like all I do now. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to open my eyes and bring it above the actual hooded part, so the color is a lot wider on my lid. So I'm going to take that dark purple shade on the Morphe 507 and try to blend out this line just a little bit. So I lost some of that dark purple right here. Well, not blend it out, just add more purple back to this. Okay, so now I'm going to take the M4112 with that purple shade and just try to blend out this line so like the colors kind of fade into each other. I decided I'm going to apply more black to that area and then use the purple to blend it out. I'm taking the M508 and going back in that area with the purple to actually like apply it to that line. This is what I should have used first. And then take the Morphe 507 to blend that color out. So now I'm going to use this shade next to the black. And if I don't like it, I'll probably just cover it up with something else. Yeah, I don't like this. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm just going to apply the original pink shade. This is the Morphe 156. And cover it with glitter. That's what I'm going to do. I can't find my mixing medium liner to use as my glitter glue, so I'm just going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance glitter glue. With this, I don't really like it. You have to pat it on, because if you rub, it's going to rub off the eyeshadow you put on. So I'm just going to take the pink shade from my eyeshadow palette, my glitter eyeshadow palette, and apply that to that area. And to kind of blend the eyeshadow and the glitter together, I'm going to apply more black, the outer corner, and then use the same brush I've been using with the purple shade and just blend those colors together. Okay, so this is not actually the look I was going for, but we're gonna work with it. So since the top of this eye is basically finished, I'm going to do this eye off camera and then do everything I normally do in other videos. If you don't know what that is, go check it out so you can know what I do. But if you don't know, I'll tell you, of course. I'm going to put concealer on my face and finish this complete eye, and then I'll be back to show you how to do the under eye. So I'm back, and basically this eye is finished. The only thing I have to do is apply mascara, maybe false lashes. I haven't decided yet, but yes, that's the only thing I have to do. I put bronzer on, concealer. I haven't put blush or highlighter on, so before I do that, I'm going to show you what I did on the bottom of this eyelid, on this eyelid. So I took a Morphe E36 and I took that purple shade and I just dragged it across my eye waterline, lower lash line, that's what it's called. And then I took a Morphe E18 and used the first pink shade and just blended out the color. So then I bought some new eyeliners from Morphe, and this is Morphe's new eyeliner. It's in the color Pearl, and because this look is more dramatic than what I was going for, I thought it was a good idea to lighten it up on my waterline, I guess. You can't even really tell over here, so I mean, it kind of really doesn't matter. I'm going to apply it off camera because I can never apply liner to my lower lash line on camera. So yeah, I think that looks fine. I brought it down a little bit lower than my lash line to put it like kind of on top of the color, so it's like a nice blend. So now I'm going to put on blush from the BH Cosmetic 10 color blush palette. And as always, I use the same color all the time. So now I'm going to use my highlighter, my Becca highlighter in the color Opal, and highlight my cheeks. So because the eyes are so dramatic, I think I want to use a like a neutral lip color, and I think I'm going to use Whirl by MAC. So I'm about to try to do something with my hair and maybe wear lashes. If I don't have lashes on, then I didn't wear them. When I come back, it should be completely finished and I'll be ready to spray my face. So I'll be right back. So I'm back and I am finished with my face. Or just when you think you're finished and you forget that you forgot to do something. If you watch my channel before, you know that I always forget to highlight my brow bone. So that's what we're going to do now. And I'm going to use this sparkly shade in the palette to highlight my brow bone. Ooh, I like that. That looking pretty nice. Okay, now I'm finished. So, setting spray it is, right? Urban Decay setting spray all nighter. Nope, I just lied. Cool and hydrating. If you don't got you a good setting spray, you need to invest in a good setting spray. It just pulls, like, it literally melts all the powder and all the stuff you put on your face together so you don't look like you're dry as the Sahara Desert. So this is the final look and I'm actually extremely pleased with this, how it turned out, even though because I didn't want it as dramatic as it was turning out to be, but I am in love with this look. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Also, I forgot to tell you that I am wearing lashes, and they are Flaw lashes by Jay. I forgot which pair because I can never remember, and they're not on the box. So I will link it in the description box below. Go check them out. Or go check it out. The description box. You can go check the lashes out too if you want. It'll be in the description box below. Oh, cute. Or whatever.